Since kickoff 2 weeks ago, our team has been laying the groundwork for success this season. So we've been organizing all of our ideas, setting our goals, testing prototypes, figuring out what we think is worth it to complete in our game this year, and choosing a clear direction for our robot design as well as our strategy this year.
We have a good understanding of what the overall design of the robot will look like. We have some successful intake and shooter prototypes that we've created, and we're working on multiple different transfer mechanism prototypes.
Build and design have been going back and forth, iterating and prototyping on designs so we can find what works best for us. The prototyping is very important because this makes us be able to know what works the best for us and our abilities and what role we need to play in the competition. We want to prototype as much as possible to find the most efficient design for us so that we will be the best we can for competition.